Hello, everyone. I'm Mkata, the production manager of Manufacturers Limited. Manufacturers Limited is a Zambian food processing company. We started our operations in 2019, and we have been cooperating with Oscar from Shenigram Company. We appreciate Oscar and Shenigram's services and machinery. From the time that we started our operations, Oscar has been providing technical support, including product development. Because of the excellent services that we have received from Shenigram, we recommended many of our investors and partners to buy machines from them. It is our desire to continue cooperating with Oscar and Shenigram.